All right. We're back for another recap. We took another trade today. It was a good trade, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. Um, it was a good trade, and yeah, I guess I'll show you guys how it went. Today I was at work again, and honestly, it wasn't that bad. Obviously I was busy all day. I had to Uh, you guys don't even know. You guys don't even know. I am tired. I did not want to do this recap because I'm tired. I just want to go to bed and just lay down and then just get ready for next day tomorrow, which is my last day. And then after that, I'll be able to get my days off. Also, I am going to the AC Milan game. If any of you guys are soccer fans, you guys already know. If you guys do watch my videos constantly, you guys know that I'm a big soccer fan. And then also I'm Mexican, so this one guy, his name is Santi Jimenez. He just got transferred to AC Milan, and yeah, I'm looking at his all his jerseys and stuff. I have a big jersey collection, and I'm gonna go to Milan and then try to see if I can get long sleeve ones because I love long sleeve jerseys for some. I just love them. I think they look so clean, you know. Anyways, let's get back to the trade. Trading recap. Jesus, that's bright. 1 second. Yeah, we're up $1,000 today, flat. Well, $1,005. As you can see here, can I? How can I even see the? Oh, this is so weird. Um, I don't know where I can see the actual percentage that I got from that. But here, let me try to exit out of this. Yeah, it's literally right there. This is the position that I was in, and oh, not that. Yeah. So realized P&L of 1,000, and can I move this around or? I'm telling you guys, I don't know how this shit works, but um, I'm there, but it's working because I can trade with trading view, so that's good. Anyways, we come into market open. We look very bearish on the 4 hour, but the reason why I was bullish for today is because we um we are kind of consolidating in the daily time frame, and we're still going down here, right? But we did not take out these highs, which let me believe to that price is going to keep going higher because you can see here it didn't take out these lows or these lows, so it just went an uptrend on the daily. So we will move on to the 4 hour. We are in a downtrend, but the reason why, like I said, why I took it long was because we had taken all of this liquidity here, and after taking it we just wicked off. So it gave me, you can see the 1 hour. It wicked off, and I wanted price to come up to the London highs, which were these right here, to tap into this 1 hour fair value gap here. I don't know why I did that. Tap into this 1 hour fair value gap here to then continue to move lower. So yeah, that's kind of how I targeted it. Um, yeah, that's basically what it was. And what else? Yep, we had all of these lows that I wanted to be taken out before we can come up here and take out these highs down here, up here, which are relative equal highs. So it gave me even more confirmation that it was going to keep going higher. Price open, and then we immediately sold off. We took out all of these lows. Don't mind this because we had already taken that. We got where's price at? Okay. We had, yeah, that's what it was. We came here and then swept all of these, and you can see here in the 1 hour, it just wicked off, so it came back up, and then after taking out these highs, it just came back down. Just simple market order flow, and yeah, So we came down here into the 15. If we move down to the 15-minute, we come down here, take out these lows, and we failed to take out these lows. And then we wicked off on the 5-minute, as you can see our wick. So right after taking out, I was gonna go bearish if this price was gonna, if the 5-minute kept on giving us bearish order flow, but it didn't. As you can see, after taking out these lows here, which I can show you, those lows right there, we immediately got a push up, push higher. So then I looked, when we created a break of structure in here, change of instead of delivery. Yeah, break of structure. As you know, as you guys know, sorry, Jesus, I am tired, man. I'm telling you. But as you guys know, after getting that 5-minute break of structure, we move on to the 1-minute and then look for entries into the upside. Yeah, we created this fair value gap here. Right here's 5-minute fair value gap. We came in, we filled it, and then after getting break of structure, I then moved to the 1-minute. Moved on to the 1-minute. And yeah, initially before market open, I saw this trade here, which was the 5-minute gap that I was telling you about. Where is it at? Yeah, this 5-minute gap, we tapped into it, and then I wanted to short off of there, but I didn't do that because it was before market opens, and I already know my rules not to do that. But we would have gotten a good risk to reward and a good trade. You can see we were targeting these lows here, TP1 here, and that would have been a 1 to 4.15 risk to reward ratio. We didn't take that, so, but we had that idea. And then we come into the, also, I forgot to show you guys this. We have a, what is it, 1 hour or 4 hour? Why is price all the way up here? I think it was a 1 hour. No, daily. I don't know what I clicked. Jesus. Daily. Yeah, we had a daily SMT. We go into ES. We took out these lows here, and we didn't take them out on NQ. So that gave me even more bullish confirmation for that. Yeah. Let's see here, 1 second. Okay. So yeah, after that happened, I then moved on to the 1-minute. I'll tell you guys, I had to step out for this because my work computer is so goddamn slow, man. I swear. But I stepped out. I had to trade on my phone. Yeah, I had to trade on my phone, and it is what it is, you know. What's it called? Yeah, my entry. I was waiting for price to come up after tapping into this fair value gap. I was expecting this to hold, but it didn't. It just ran through it. So then after that, after it just ran through it, I then looked for this fair value gap here, where I entered off of the inverse. As you can see, we inverse perfectly. So I entered. I put my stops below these for change of state of delivery in case we do get one. It would stop me out. And then I was going to target these highs all the way up here. But you guys know with Top Step, the 50% consistency rule, it's you can't make more than 50% in one trade. So that would have given me way more than 50% in one trade. I think it was getting me like 2,300 that I was going to make with this trade alone. This was my final take profit that I wanted it to hit, but I had to scale down to this right here. Because we went in for one contract. Let me show you guys. We went in actually for one contract right here. So we bought here. Well, after this candle closed, but it registered as this one. Off of that, stops below here, and then targeting a 2-point risk to reward ratio. I think it was like a 2-1. Yeah, 2.1 risk to reward ratio. This was the take profit that I was actually going to take if it actually inversed, but it didn't. Like if it just hit it and then came back down, it would have been my take profit, but it didn't. So yeah, We got to change the state of delivery in here and then another break of structure, and it was just giving me more confirmation that price is going to keep going higher. So yeah, after we got that break of structure here, I'm on my stops to break even for a risk-free trade, and it worked out perfectly. I'll put up a screenshot here, there, that my profits on my phone, so you guys can see that. And yeah, it was a good trade. You know, a lot of people caught this trade. I know TJR definitely caught this trade. I saw it earlier in his story, but he entered late. He entered like off here and then just targeting these highs. But I'm telling you guys, I couldn't do that because it was gonna make me even fail the account. So yeah, good to know that our strategy is working. I was way more disciplined today than yesterday, which is I'm improving, you know, every single day, which is great. I love to see it because I could have easily just entered off of this 1 minute break of structure, but I was like, no, I'm gonna wait. And I guess I could have entered there and then my stop is below here, but that's like way too much. Yeah, see, that's not even a good risk to reward ratio. But I'm glad I waited. I'm glad I was patient and I let the market come to me, which is what I have here in this chat here, so I don't forget. And I'm actually like, you know, being more disciplined. Yeah, this whole week has been a green week, which is great. I love to see it, but we just gotta keep on pushing until we become profitable. Once I pass this account, I will be trying to get the Top Step accounts on Top Step X to try to see if I can execute at the same time as executing here in TradingView. I'm gonna try to see if I can. If you guys do know, if you guys trade Top Step with Tradeovate using TradingView, that was a mix up. But if you guys do that and you guys copy trade accounts, please let me know how to do it, because if I can copy trade accounts with TradingView, it's gonna be great. So I don't have to, you know, have two things to keep track of while trading. I do want to get a second monitor because right now I just have one monitor, but that's in the works because I've been spending a lot of money recently. Yeah, that is it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Thank you guys for watching this and following me in my journey. Trying to become profitable and rich at such a young age. You know, we have big ambitious goals. Ambition is goals. I don't know how to say that. Muchas metas. That's all I'm gonna say. That's what we have. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, we did not have any news today. We only had orange folder news, but it did absolutely nothing to the market. And then Trump again was, you know, speaking today, but it didn't even show yesterday. Like, if you guys see yesterday's recap, you will see that there's nothing in the news for Trump. But it is what it is, you know. He just keeps talking, but it's all right. There's nothing we can do. He is giving us better price action recently. I'm not gonna lie. It's been better price action. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims at 8:30. We'll see how the market reacts to that, and then we'll just try to target data highs or data lows, and then yeah. Friday there's just nothing for that, and I will be off on Friday, so I'll be able to trade here, so that's good. And then next week, yeah, we can go over next week on Friday. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do take a trade. If you guys took the same trade, you guys cooked, congrats. And if you guys did win today, congrats. And if you guys didn't, you know, keep pushing, and yeah, you'll get there eventually, just like I will eventually. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.